What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna be playing Still a Brain Rot with Scotland. And grab your drinks and snacks and let's get into it. My video today we're gonna be playing Still a Brain Rot with me, Genova, and Scotland and Aubrey. Alright, we gotta go find these dudes. There go Genova, guys. Say hey, Genova. Say hey, Genova. She just hit me off, but I don't care. Where's Scotland? He's stealing. Get out. Stop.
Why is you spraying right? That's not right.
Back up.
Bombardiro crocodilo.
Y'all don't mind my screaming, but you know.
Bombardiro crocodilo. Bombardiro crocodilo. Bombardiro crocodilo. Bombardiro crocodilo.
Where is Aubrey?
Bombardiro crocodilo.
Where's Aubrey?
Bombardiro crocodilo.
Why my back?
Bombardiro crocodilo.
Alright, y'all. You see this, y'all? Ban his YouTube account. No, I want to try. Alright, let's go get my good stuff out of this coin shop, cause. Hey, oh, there go Aubrey, guys. Look at him trying to go to my base. Look at him. No. I didn't steal it. Genova stole it. Scotland, come here. Scotland, come here. Come here. Genova stole your brain rot, okay? Huh? She stole your what you call it? Yeah, she tried to steal it. Yeah, she tried to though. Genova just tried to steal your brain rot. See, look, she wet. Look at Aubrey. See, look, they trying to gang up on us. Stop. I'm about to tase them. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to tase you. Back up. Y'all, they is trying to steal. Wait, my base. Okay. My base right. Go back over here with my friends. Yeah. I'll be back up. Stop trying to steal his stuff. Get back. Lock your base. Get out. Lock your base. They trying to steal. Yeah, look at her trying to steal. Hold on. I gotta make sure my base is locked. Stop stealing. Give me. She lucky. You lucky. That's Scotland. She stole your stuff, Scotland. She stole your stuff. Look, Scotland, she stole your stuff. Look. You stealing his stuff? Aubrey, stop. Get away. Oh, it's about to unlock. Gonna make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna do some more fun videos for y'all like this. And yeah, get away. Let's see what's. I'm about to steal. Oh, look at that. Aubrey got some good. Oh yeah, I'm about to take that. Hurry up. Oh my god. Go, please. Go, please. No, she coming. Scotland. Help. Scotland, you gotta help me, bro. Scotland, come here, come here, come here. Aubrey got something good, bruh. Come here, come look, come look. She got something good. Oh my God, look at her base. Look what's in her base. I'm about to take that. I'm about to take that. She got a yin yang. She got a yin yang. I'm about to take that. She got a yin yang, bro. Yo, who just did that? Who just did that? I can't see.
I'm not playing with y'all no more.
Why?
That's Scotland. Why would you?
Look at her protecting her base. She is protecting her base. I am a phenomenal black woman. Hurry up, Scotland, go. No, I'm sorry. No, back up. I'ma stay in here till. Wait, she just left. Cause she knew I was about to take her stuff. Should I end the video here?
My base open.
Scotland, stop playing, bro. Stop playing with me. Genova, don't even try it. Genova, don't even try it. Genova, don't even try it. Don't even try it. Don't even try it. Wait till your base open. Why Aubrey leave? Cause she got a yin yang, bro. I'm a phenomenal. What is this? Cause she had a yin yang. Okay, there she go. I'm about to steal it too. She keep playing with me. Where her base at? I'm about to go get that yin yang, bro. Just wait. Stay right here.
So Aubrey got boys.
I don't think so. Alright, y'all. I went on mute, but like it's okay, y'all. We back. My phone just turned off, and she is hitting me very badly. Stop. No, Aubrey, please. But y'all, I'm back. But Aubrey, please, no. I need this speed. Like speed, I need this. Like XRT, I need that. My bad. YouTube, do not copyright.
Away from my base.
Can I get your stuff?
No, why do you want my stuff?
Y'all just heard what she said, guys. Ban her. Ban her, bruh. Ban her. Where's Scotland them at? I need Scotland help. Scotland. I need help. He over there at Genova base. I'm about to y'all. Scotland, I need help. Get it.
Ballerina cappuccina.
No! Hey, you mother trucker. Oh. You keep on playing with me. You wanna keep... Uh-oh, my bad, Roblox. Let me respawn for they make me. Maybe respawn for they make me mad. YouTube, my bad. Hey, Aubrey. How about you open your base? Out.
My bad, Aubrey.
Why would you hit me? Get over here. You wanna hit me? Get out of here. Get out of here since you... Scotland! Where's Scotland at? I don't think you want that. I'm gonna wait till that girl come out her base, y'all. But y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all want more videos like this without Genova. Without Genova. Uh-oh, you get...
Ciuanini Taconini.
Ciuanini Taconini.
No! I don't like you. I do not like you, bruh. Look, you can't hit me. That's why you couldn't hit me. I don't like you, Genova. I don't like you. Y'all see that base cross? Y'all see that base? I'ma act like I can't see. But whole time. Hold on, listen. Da. Ah, my leg. Let me go. I'm trapped again. Stop. Scotland, why? Wait, I'm flying. She guarding that base down. Whew, she guarding that base down. You see that base over there?
Glorbo Fruttodrillo.
Glorbo Fruttodrillo.
He trapped me. Oh, that was smart. That was smart. That was smart what you did. Ouch! Why you hit me, bro? You still trying to hit me? Hey, boy, back up, get away. Psych. Aubrey, stop. Hey, kid.
Rhino Tosterino.
Rhino Tosterino.
Rhino Tosteria.
Tartaruga Cisterna.
Tartaruga Cisterna.
Look at her. She can't get me. Oh, I know Scotland, bro. Oh my God, you do too much, bro. Scotland, I could have had that, bro. You do too much, bro. Scotland not on my team no more, bro. Oh my God. I had the brain rot, bro. Get away, cause you just hit me too, bro. Bro, I had the brain rot. Just
Ciuanini Taconini.
Let's go. That's why I stole your stuff, Genova. Get away. Oh, you made a mistake. See, look, bro, she lost the brain right. And they didn't want to give it to me. I could have had the brain right, bro. That is so lame. Oh, I forgot. I ain't got nothing upstairs, though, so it don't even matter for real. It don't even matter for real. Alright, y'all. We gonna steal Scotland. But he can't know. Okay. If y'all want to play with us, comment down below. Then I give you my username, give you all that. But y'all gotta like and subscribe though. People not watching it. Like and subscribe. So I get like giveaways for like Robux. Aubrey, back up. What? No, don't leave, please, don't leave, please. I don't care, leave then, leave.
Glorbo Fruttodrillo. Ballerina Cappuccina.
Ballerina Cappuccina.
Alright, y'all. I'ma end the video right here. See y'all later. Thanks for watching. Look at my skin. Thank you. Bye.